as a report of this meeting.
Komiti matatu kikinda azimio la Umoja One Kenya kod Kenya Kwanza oyango giseyudo mana lipode 142 kowuok kuom jopiny kendo koro gichano kolo lipodego mondo giwinj pach jopiny.
Kin ripodego 29 gin manyocha ochwal achiel kachiel ne od bura, 5 no or achiel kachiel log tich mar twak Bomas of Kenya kamago mane ore yor mbui mar email gin 121.
Aput mang'ado rieko ne komiti no dhi loko ripodego ne ikruok mar romo mar komiti no odiechieng' mar wuok tich.
The total number of memoranda that were received was as follows. Had delivered to Parliament buildings, 29. Had delivered at Bomas of Kenya, 5. Via email, 121. None via the post. So a total of 155 submissions that we have received. We have given the technical teams an opportunity to go through this memoranda within the week, and we will be coming back here on Monday to receive the reports of the various memoranda and then be able to make a decision on the way forward.
We're even asking the members of the committee take it upon themselves to cut down on any possible travel because time is restricted. It is strictly of the essence so that we can try to do justice to the task ahead of us. I want to thank those Kenyans who have already submitted their memoranda. And we Cecily talked of a deadline, but we looked at that issue, say the committee is not going to be difficult on the timeline. If there are people who have not submitted the memoranda, they should feel free to do so, to submit and proceed.
Nyakuram gajuang, jo Kenya moingo dhano milion 4